Hello, travel enthusiasts. Today we are in the heart of Copenhagen, ready to embark on a magical journey through one of its most iconic spots, Nyhavn. Welcome to Nyhavn, Copenhagen's must-visit destination. Nyhavn looks like a bunch of colorful Lego houses, isn't it? Alright, before we hop on the boat, let's take a moment to soak in the picturesque surroundings and click few pictures as well. Alright, after buying the tickets, it's time to board the boat. The total duration of the tour is about 1.5 hours. Nyhavn is a 17th century waterfront build which was inspired by the Amsterdam canals. On this boat tour, you'll pass through many bridges and you can enjoy the sights of Copenhagen's main harbour and adjoining canals. Depart from Nyhavn and see lovely colorful houses, ancient castles like Amalienborg Palace, Christiansborg Palace, Opera House, museum ships, the Little Mermaid, Round Town, churches and some old buildings turned into cool shops and restaurants. That's our boat tour adventure in Nyhavn, where colors meet history and every wave tells a tale. If you ever visit Copenhagen, make sure to jump on a boat and have a blast in Nyhavn. And apart from this lovely boat ride, what makes this place even more awesome is the lively atmosphere, colorful streets, music, and people enjoying the waterfront. See you in the next vlog.